In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Binance Pay WooCommerce plugin. By the end, you'll have Binance Pay available as a checkout option on your store, and you'll know exactly where to configure it for a smooth customer experience. Start on your WordPress website's dashboard. This is where everything happens. From here, we're going to add the plugin that connects your store to Binance Pay. Go to the Plugins area and open the page where you add new plugins. Use the search box to look up Binance. You're looking for the Binance Pay plugin that's made for WooCommerce. When you find it, select Install, and once the installation completes, click Activate. Activation is important because it turns the plugin on and makes its settings available inside WooCommerce. After activation, head straight to WooCommerce from the left-hand menu. This is where all your store configurations live. Open Settings to access the core configuration pages, then move to the Payments tab. This tab lists every payment method your store can offer. Scroll until you see Binance Pay. Select it to open the setup screen. On the setup page, you'll connect your store to your Binance Pay account. Follow the on-screen fields and prompts carefully. You can set the title and description that shoppers will see at checkout, so choose clear, friendly wording that explains they can pay securely with Binance Pay. Make sure the method is enabled so it appears to customers, and then save your changes to lock everything in. A few quick tips to make this seamless. If you don't immediately see Binance Pay under Payments, refresh the page and confirm the plugin shows as active in your plugins list. When searching for the plugin, look for the option that explicitly mentions WooCommerce compatibility to avoid installing the wrong tool. If your store uses specific currencies, review the notes on the Payment Methods page to ensure they align with what your customers will use. And if your store runs any caching or performance tools, a quick cache clear after activation can help the payment method display correctly. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, installed and activated the Binance Pay plugin, went into WooCommerce settings, and enabled Binance Pay under Payments with your account details. With those steps complete, you're ready to accept payments through Binance Pay in your WooCommerce checkout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.